Hi everyone, I'm Lise from Ellii, and in this tutorial video, I'm going to show you our brand new media gallery. This is a huge update for us and we're so excited to finally have all of our video content in one place for you to access. So let me show you exactly where you need to go to find that. First things first, start by logging into your account by going up into the top right-hand corner, and you'll know you're logged in when you can see your name. Next, you're going to make your way over to the Materials tab and click on the drop-down menu. Previously, you would have seen a section called Flashcards. We've now changed this to Media Gallery because it also includes our videos. So click on the Media Gallery. You are now inside the Media Gallery, and this probably looks pretty familiar to you because this is very similar to the previous Flashcards section. But now, as you can probably see, we have our Flashcards tab, and we also have a Videos tab. So you can still access all of the flashcards exactly the way that you used to, but now you can also access video content. So let's go over to that Video tab and see what's in there. And here we are inside our brand new video gallery. This is where you can see all of the video content. Scrolling down, you'll be able to access all of the videos we have here. But this is a lot of videos to go through, so why don't we go back up to the top and sort through them. Right now I have it on all, and you can see there are 133 videos. Let's say I'm looking for something a little bit more specific, perhaps a grammar topic video. I can use one of these tabs at the side to choose what I'm looking for, so I'm going to click on Grammar. Now I'm inside the section that's sorted only for grammar videos. And once again, if I want to narrow it down even further, I have these options here. Let's say I'm teaching a class for beginner level students and I want to work on some of those basic sentence constructions. I'm going to click here to filter. And inside I can see the 4 videos related to that. Perfect. I'm going to look at these WH questions. By clicking on the thumbnail of the video, it's going to take you to the video landing page. Previously, all of our video content was only found within the lesson. So you needed to go through, enter a lesson in order to find the videos inside. Now, within our media gallery, you can find the videos without having to go through the lesson first. This could be really great if you know that there's a cool video and you just want to search for it fast, pull it up in your class, maybe even start with the video before you get going on your lesson. Now using the media gallery, that's even easier to do. Of course, if you're interested to know what lesson this video is part of, you can simply scroll down and below the video, it will tell you exactly where you can find that video. So here it is. It says it's part of our lesson on WH questions. So you can click on that lesson, enter inside, see all of the digital tasks there, and also access the video from within the lesson. Or you can go to our media gallery, click on the videos tab, and find it here. Scrolling back up to the video, you can also see some options on the right-hand side for more like this. So if you've selected a video and you want to see some other things that are similar to that, maybe in level or content, Ellii will provide you with a couple of recommendations at the side so you can continue to watch more videos and see if there's something else that's relevant to your class. If you want to jump right in and watch the video, it's very easy. You simply move over here and click the play button. If you're sharing your screen with your students or projecting this in your classroom, you might want to make it bigger, so go right over to the right-hand side and click on the full screen button. From here, you can press play again and your students will have a much better view of the video.
WH questions.
Within the video player, you also have some other options. You can click on subtitles and include subtitles if you'd like. You have the English subtitle option or none. You also have the settings button where you can choose the speed if you want to make it a little bit faster to challenge your students, or even make it a little bit slower to make it easier for them to follow along. You can do that. And you also have chapters. So most of our videos have chapters inside. If you want to jump to a particular spot, maybe jump to the examples, you can click on that and it will move forward in the video. So these are just some of the cool things that you can do with video content in your class. If you're teaching on live using a live synchronous platform like Google Meet or Zoom, sharing your screen with your students and watching these videos together is a great way to introduce new content to your students or reinforce something that they've already learned. There's tons of cool things that you can do with video content in your class, and we hope that our new media gallery makes that just a little bit easier for you. So that's all there is to the media gallery. I hope you found this tutorial video helpful. Thank you and happy teaching.
Ellii.